I'm ready to zoom.
And I'm ready to go, nice and steady. Woohoo! I'm so far ahead!
What if I told you that you don't need ChatGPT, Sora, Midjourney, or Gemini separately anymore? Yeah, I didn't believe it either. But this one tool puts all the top AI models in one place, and I used it to make a full kids animation story video in just a few minutes.
Ha! Whoa! Look at all these carrots!
Looks like I'm still on the right path.
These are so good. I've got plenty of time.
In this video, I'll show you how Hicks AI works, how it connects Sora 2, GPT 5.1, Veo, Gemini, and more, and how you can create stories, images, and videos without switching tools. This can save you a lot of money and time, especially if you're paying for multiple AI subscriptions right now. Hicks AI is an all-in-one AI agent platform that lets you do many things in one place. You can chat with AI, create images, generate videos, write articles, create websites, and even make presentation slides. Instead of switching between different tools, Hicks AI brings everything together in one simple dash. What makes Hicks AI really powerful is that it connects to some of the world's most advanced AI models. This means you can choose the best AI model depending on what you want to create, which helps you get better results. Now, to get started, first click the link in the description and create your Hicks AI account. After you log in, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard like this. Now, to create kids' stories like the demo video, the first thing we need is good prompts. Prompts are very important because they tell the AI exactly what kind of result we want. I've shared all the prompts used in this video inside our free Discord server. So go there, copy the story prompt, and paste it into the Hicks AI text box. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select an AI writing model. Since Hicks AI supports many top models, you can experiment and see which one works best for your style. For this example, I'm choosing Gemini 3 Pro. Once selected, click Send. This prompt will help the AI create 5 original short moral stories inspired by classic fables and folktale. Each story includes a title, a detailed story, the main character's appearance, and an animation visual style. Take your time to read through the ideas and choose the one you like the most. If you already have a story title in mind, you can simply give that title to the AI, and it will create a brand new story based on your idea. Now, to give our main characters more unique and kid-friendly looks, we use a character prompt. Copy the character prompt from Discord and paste it into the text box. Then, copy the character appearance that the AI already generated and paste it under the prompt. Click Send again. The AI will now rewrite the character description with more detail. It adds fun accessories, child-friendly features, and visual elements that work well for kids' animations. This step is very important because strong character design makes your story more memorable and engaging. Finally, copy the character details and save them anywhere you like. You can edit or improve them before creating your visuals. By doing this, you keep your characters consistent across all scenes, which is really important. Alright, next, we're going to create a story video using the Hicks AI video agent. First, I'll show you the automatic way, and after that, I'll explain how to do it manually so you understand both methods. To begin, copy your detailed story and create a new chat inside Hicks AI. Then, click on the AI video option. From the drop-down list, you'll see several popular video models like Sora, Veo, and Kling. However, if you want a fully created video with less manual work, I recommend using the Hicks AI video agent, which is what I'll use here. Now, paste your detailed story prompt into the text box. Next, copy your updated character details and replace the character descriptions inside the prompt with these new ones. By default, the Hicks AI video agent creates a 9:16 video at 720p, which is perfect for short-form platforms. If you need a different aspect ratio, resolution, or format, make sure to clearly mention it in your prompt. Once everything looks good, click Generate. At this point, the AI starts working. First, it plans the video and gives you you a video overview explaining the theme, target audience, visual style, and estimated duration. After that, the AI generates a storyboard script. You'll see that your story is automatically divided into multiple shots. These shots are created in batches, and each one comes with its own image prompt and animation prompt. The AI will first generate all the images for your storyboard. Here, if you want to change anything, like a scene, a character action, or the visual style, you can simply tell the AI in the chat. If you want a completely new version, click the Regenerate button, and the AI will create a new storyboard for you. But if you click Continue, the AI will start animating all the images in your storyboard. When it's done, you'll get a video result like this. However, keep in mind that these animations do not include sound, so you'll need to add music and sound effects later using a video editor like CapCut. Now, let me show you a better and more advanced method for creating visuals with sound effects. First, copy the animation and sound prompt from Discord and paste it into a current Hicks AI chat. The AI will now write detailed animation prompts for each shot, including suggested sound effects. Next, copy the animation prompt for the first shot and download the image for that scene. Then, create a new chat, go to the AI video agent, and choose any video model you like. In this example, I'm using Sora 2 Pro. Upload the image, paste the animation and sound prompt, and then select the aspect ratio, video quality, and duration. On the right side, you'll see how many credits this animation will cost. Once everything is set, click Generate. The AI will now animate your first scene with sound included. You can repeat this same process for the other images in your story. After that, simply combine all the clips, and you'll have a complete story video with built-in sound. No need to add sound effects manually. And here is my final video output.
I'm ready to zoom.
And I'm ready to go, nice and steady. No one can beat me this time.
Woohoo! I'm so far ahead.
Come on, Zippy, faster! Let's leave the city in the dust! Nothing's catching me today!
Step by step. I'll get there.
Whoa! Look at all these carrots.
Looks like I'm still on the right path.
These are so good. I've got plenty of time.
Almost there. Just a little farther.
I did it!
Slow and steady.
Timmy? You already finished?
Here, Zippy. Want to share a carrot with me?
Thanks, Timmy. You really earned this win.
Next time, I'll try being steady too.
We can always race again, together.
Slow and steady wins the race.
As you can see, the final video looks amazing. And the best part is, everything was created using Hicks AI. If you now click on the library section, you'll find all the projects we created, stories, images, and videos, all saved in one place. This makes it very easy to manage your work and come back to it anytime. Also, Hicks AI is not just for writing stories or making videos. It comes with many other powerful tools. You can create presentation slides, help with coding and programming, build websites, do deep research, and much more. So instead of using many different platforms, you can do everything inside one single AI tool. If you're interested in using Hicks AI seriously and want access to all features without limits, I recommend their unlimited yearly plan, which currently comes with a 50% discount. The annual plan costs $14.99 per month, while the monthly plan is $29.99 per month. This makes the yearly plan a much better value if you plan to use AI regularly. So click the link in the description and try this powerful all-in-one AI agent for free. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.